Hey, good morning, good morning. We are live. It's me, it's Nutty, and we are live. It is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Let's do this. Let's do this. We got our coffee. I just finished my Nutty Bar. Life is great. Good morning. Oh, Elisa Trades. Good morning. Go and Trades. Good morning. Diego. Good morning. Peter Schapp. Good morning. Crypto Calls. Ace Undercover. Dean Bishop. Good morning. Micro Player. My wife is making me laugh this morning. She's feeling better. She's feeling better, folks. Good morning, M. Susan. Carolina, good morning. Stephen Arthur, the chat trader from yesterday. Let's go. Hey, look at that. It's Timbo. Timbo has officially made a reappearance. I love to see it. Good morning, Timbo. I was starting to be a little concerned that you did a hit and run, so it's great to have you back. Hard Hat Trading, good morning. Kid Poker, Diego, Daryl Bapty, Darren Cox, Golf Guy Mike, Carlos Manessa, Carolina, Marty Matt, Marty Man, Sean, Matty Matt, good morning. Justin Rupke, King NQ, good morning, good morning. All right, boys, let's see what this market has for us today. We got 2 minutes till open. Let's look at the overnight session. So, overnight session, we had a nice move higher here. You can see this trade here. This was, oh wow, I didn't even realize how that was a sniper inch. That was a sniper exit. Look at that. I exit right here. I had a sniper exit. We sniped the top of the overnight session, at least temporarily, but we pulled back and then we continued higher. So, I mean, the overnight session was definitely bullish. Now let's see what happens here at the open. It should be interesting. We will be trading these 4 Apex 50K accounts. That is what we will be trading this morning. Also, I'm a little bit confused. Hey, Timbo, you wouldn't leave your base? Okay, good to know, Timbo. Good to know. Hey, Jenna, how is it going? Nathan Ramirez, good to be back. Matthew, good morning. Crypto Calls. Let's see what we do in the morning here. Market is open, folks. Looks like we're ripping higher for the moment. If you look at the daily chart, so if we trade inside of yesterday's range, basically, as long as we stay inside of yesterday's range, I'm not that interested in a trade. I want to see us break above yesterday's range for me to really. I prefer that we break to the upside. I do think we make a move higher today. It might just be temporary, but I do think we go higher today. So I'm going to be looking for longs, but we just have to be careful. Obviously, anything can happen. So let's just see what happens. Hey, good morning, Amelia Stitcher. Good to see you. Neil, ripping and dipping. Good morning, fellas. It's great to be back trading in the morning. Great to be back streaming with you guys. I love it. You know, it's just not the same when I don't stream and I don't have you all tuning in. We're a one big happy family. Ooh, shoot. You know what I forgot to do? I knew I was forgetting something this morning. Hang on. Apex 80% sale did end. Let me see what the current promotion is. I think it's just 50% off. I need to update my chat. All right, let's see if this market can get above that 530 area right here. Oh, the clock. Thank you, Red Poker. Trying to see what are the resets currently on Apex. Let me look. Okay, there's so $50 resets currently. $50 resets and 50% off. Looks like that is the but oh man, look at that rip higher. Wow. That was crazy. Okay, now we're above that 530. Need to get above the 600s to be above yesterday's. We do have a pivot point at the 571s as well. Looking very bullish so far. All right, we need to pay attention here. Let me see. Wow, look at that rip. 570s. Wow. Wow. Hey, Sarhan, good morning. Ace Undercover, good to see you. Good morning. Dean Bishop, good morning. Do you know we are here every day, right? I know. Hey, good morning, Dave Mack. Good morning. Go and Trades, good morning. Crypto Calls. Let's do this. Obviously, I'm not really looking to trade the open here. Just let's see if we get above this 600 level. 600 is going to be the key level to get above. But it's looking like it. Man, this is very bullish right off the rip here. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Good to see you. How are you feeling? Taylor Tackett, good morning. Steve, Kevin Tobias, good morning. Wow, what a move from the 460s to the 580s and higher. There we go. 590s. We're about to test the 600s. Wow, what a crazy move. What a crazy rip higher. Just, I mean, this is like as straight up as you can go. This is just straight up. You know we're going to get a pullback. You know it's going to happen. And it's going to be a probably a lot bigger pullback than what we expect. Okay, there we go. Is 600. 600's being tested. Can we make a move higher? Make a move above? If this continues to show bullishness, I want to see this pull back maybe into the 570s. We will jump in here. Make sure I'm on the right accounts. We will jump in with 2 micros. 2 micros. All right, we're getting into this 570s. I'm going to switch to the 1-minute chart just when the market's moving this fast. I'm gonna wait a little bit, then we will pick and choose our chat trader of the day. Come on, market, don't just do this. I don't want this to just rip straight up. Oh, are you kidding me? Don't. It might just go without me, huh? Come back down. It's very tempting here. You kidding me? All right, we're in. This is gonna be a bigger, we might go through a little bit of drawdown here. Just looking for a retest of that 600 level. I'm even okay with a stop around here below this EMA. Give it a chance to break out. All right, we need to get ready for let's get ready. Now we got a hold right here. This is looking a little dicey. Oh. Okay, let me make sure I got everything working here. All right, market continuing to bleed lower here. I might add 2 more right here at the 540s, depending what I see. As long as we hold here, I just don't want to see this just completely reverse. We could just do a V-shaped move lower. There is definitely that possibility. This is where it's really nice to have micros. Micros for the win. Hey, Kid Poker. How you doing, Kid Poker? Jet says, good morning. Crypto calls. Patrick, good morning. All right, right here. Come on. This is it. This is it right here. This is it. We got a rip right here. Come on. Come on, market. Do it. Can she do it? This is where we got to go. Don't want to see this fail. If this fails, I definitely am a little concerned. Come on. Let's get above my entry, please. My entry is acting as resistance right now. Isn't that's typical? Don't want to see this fail. I do not want to see this fail right here. Still like a long here. I like the longs here, but if we fail, I'm going to have my stop right here. Just see what happens. Gonna be patient. Let it work. Let it do its thing. We need some Creed for the Friday morning. Yep. Come on. Right here. Pop it. Pop it, baby. You know you want it. You know you want it. I want to see it go through the 600s and then I'm going to trail it. I'm going to see if we can't get a runner going. Really need this to go up through the 600s. I do not want to see hesitation at the 600s. Okay, here we go. Let's see. We definitely got in on this trade a little bit early. Come on, market. Don't do it. Rip this through the 600s. You can do it. I believe in you. It's trying to be difficult here. Trying to be difficult. It's got to be patient. Got to be patient. You shorted at 586, caught a little profit to start the day. Nice. Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. I don't like this. This is now looking a little dangerous. We failed to make new highs. I'm going to get out here. I don't like that. Just don't like it. Do not like that. Market being difficult. Now it might go, huh? We might get another entry here. We might, but I'm going to be a little bit upset if this rips through the 600s now. But I can't chase it. I can't chase it now. We can't chase this. We got to just be okay with missing it. Yeah, I mean, I don't like how it failed that new high, but it might make it now. To me, a good move, like what I want to see on this move here, like we need to trap the shorts right here. We need to trap them, and in order to do so, we need to rip straight up through those 600s and rip another 10, 15 points above it in that candle. Just rip it straight higher. The fact we're just like this consolidation, just, I don't know. I think it's a higher likely, a bigger chance that we roll over here because we didn't just rip straight up. But we could still go. We could still go through the 600s, but I'm okay cutting that trade off. All right, let's see if we go right here. You could enter right here, but then I don't like it. Okay, if you're still long, nicely done. Let's see if we get through that 600 here. Can she go? And there she goes. New highs, 601. Will we pop it? Will we pop it? It's definitely just not really interesting. Hey, RH, good morning. Good morning, RH. How we doing? Yeah, we have the 15-minute opening range is sitting here right at the 600s. So, all right, there's that pop up through the 600s now. They definitely scared me on this. They definitely got me. They got me. Unfortunately. There we go. 610s. Should have held, man. Should have held. It's unfortunate. Hey, John, good morning. Okay, news at 10 o'clock. Let me look. What kind of news do we have? Six 12s, 15s. There's that pop. Man, I wish I was still in it. I definitely bailed way too early. So 10 o'clock news, consumer sentiment. So we do have news, consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. That should move the market. So I'm going to look to stay out of, I don't want to be trading in that time. Now we do have the previous day. So on the 15-minute chart, right here, we do have some resistance right here at the 620s. We got 620s right here. Let's see if we can get a push through that 620 area now. That was from yesterday. But lately we've seen a lot of kind of potential breakouts, and then we just, you know, we retrace that whole move and just reverse. So gotta be careful in this market. Gotta be careful. This market is crazy. Just remember that. Right now we're at the 620s. in 2 minutes or 5 minutes, we could be down here at the 520s. That's how crazy this market is. Orlando, good morning. Good morning, Orlando. Thank you, Matty Matt. Yeah, I made it so that it's like a fade in and out from one account or one screen to the next. Okay, here we go. We are pulling back here. This is, I will wait. If we do get a really nice entry long, I will take it. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm just nervous of a reversal now, but right now this does seem to be holding up really well. Hey, Kraken, you unlocked the 10 50 kPAs. Let's go, Kraken. Good luck, sir. Take it slow and steady. Take your time. Love to see it. What's the risk per trade? I don't really have, I mean, obviously I don't want to take a bigger loss than 600 per trade, but that's like the worst case scenario. But usually per trade, I like to have my risk around $200 per trade is like a good number for me. See, I want to see us consolidate a little bit here before we just rip it back up. But we might be forced to just get in. All right, we're in. Come on, just take me to new highs. Do it, market. Do it. Do it. Don't fake me out again. We need to get our chat trader picked. We need the chat trader of the day selected here so we can get things rolling. Come on, market. Don't fake it out again. Really? That is not what I wanted to see. Man. I also got to be aware, 5 minutes, there's that news that comes out. Market being difficult here. Market being difficult. I do not trust this action at all. RH, yeah, it's starting to make me question it as well. Trying to think if I want to sit through the news on this or not. I'd prefer not to be in this trade during news. We're just slowly bleeding lower here. Not what I wanted to see. Yeah, this is not ideal. I'm just gonna get out. We're right at the news, man. Probably gonna rip higher, but I don't want to be in this during the news. Just don't want to do it. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I was muted. I promise that was an accident. Okay, we're gonna pick the chat trader of the day right now, and we're going to do a long time. We're gonna do a long time sub. So you're gonna have to be subbed for at least 9 months. We're gonna do 9 month subs or more in order to be entered for, in order to be selected for the chat trader of the day. Dean Bishop, this happens when I take off too much. Yeah, sometimes. Okay, here we go. Chat. Now I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to do, you can now enter !nutty, !nutty to be entered as to be the chat trader of the day. Whoa, look at that rip lower. Hold it. That's why I didn't want to be in that trade. Oh, snap. That was insane. Oh, snap. That was crazy. That market is crazy. Now, is it going to continue lower or not? Wait. Why is it not showing like I'm doing the giveaway on my screen? Okay, there it is. There it is. All right, there's not going to be a lot of entries here, guys. There is not going to be a lot of entries. This is sub-only mode for 9 months. Got to be subbed for at least 9 months in order to be entered for a chance to be the chat trader of the day. Maybe today is the magic day that we are going to get this take profit account above the buffer, and then from there on out, or maybe we take it above the buffer and then some. Also, Timbo, you are not eligible. I'm sorry, but you are not eligible. We're going to let someone else take a shot. Sorry, Timbo. All right, market. Is this going to continue selling off here or not? Man, what a rip. That was a crazy move lower. Thankfully, I got out on my long right there. Imagine I hold through the news. Oh, dear. That would be ugly. Well, Timbo, just because you've already done it, we want some new fresh blood in here. All right, are we gonna? We're kind of holding here at the 460s. Let's see if this continues. Now making a move back higher. No chance for redemption. We'll see. We'll see, Timbo. Not saying you can at some point. We'll see. All right, minute and 30 seconds to be entered for a chance to be the chat trader of the day. This should be good. This I see the names that are entered and I like it. But we're missing a couple names. Where's John and Design Knob? Where's John and Design Knob? Get in here. Get in here. All right, market just continuing now to try to make a move higher. Let's see, are we going to retrace this move? Yeah, this 480s, the 490s here, the VWAP here held. The VWAP held right here, so it's kind of interesting. If we make a move all the way back up, I don't know. I'm just going to wait. Going to be patient here. Not going to jump in. We got plenty of time in the day. We got plenty of time. All right. Okay, guys. We are going to pick who is going to be the chat trader of the day. Do we want to do a duck race or just pick one person? What type in the chat what John, hang on, John. I'm going to open the entries again. John, come on, get entered, John. Wait, is the John here the John from New York according to the top 10? No way, John. Are you serious? John Walkowick, enter exclamation mark Nutty. We need you in here. We need you in here for a chance to be the chat trader. Do it. Contra trading. There you go. Oh, you're leaving? Okay. All right. Fine. Okay. We will close the entries and we are going to select. All right. I think just in order to save some time, just to save some time here, we are just going to pick one name and that will be the chat trader of the day. Here we go, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all much luck. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1, boom. And it is Pippin Ain't Easy. Pippin Ain't Easy. Please type in the chat if you're here. And if you're willing to be the chat trader of the day, type in the chat. Went over your 30% Apex. Let's go, Pippin Ain't Easy. Let's go. He is here. Love to see it. Okay, we have our chat trader of the day. Boom, let's go. I got a good feeling, man. Okay, we'll take off. Now anyone can chat. All right, all the chatters, all the plebs, you're allowed back in. Okay, Pippin ain't easy. Let's see what we got today. I got my screen up. I'm just going to look at it. Okay, Pippin ain't easy. If you can at least give me what contract size you want to trade, and if you have a specific ATM, let me know what that is. First, give me the size you want to trade. And if you have a specific ATM strategy that you use, give that to me as well. Then I can get everything set up. And then basically, just type in the chat if you see a good trade. If you want to take a trade, you just need to let me know long or short. If you want to do it immediately, just say long or short right now. If you have a certain level you want to go long or short, type in the level and long or short, and we will go from there. Let's go, boys. Maybe today's the day that we get that account above the buffer and we take some real payouts for the chat. Chat for the win. All right, market back down. Looked like we were going to rip right back higher, but not so fast. The market said not so fast. Again, now we're just trading right in the middle of yesterday's session. Not ideal. I'd like to see us break out above or below it before we jump in. Matt, retail. If I saw a red can, that's crazy, John. Was that with Tradeovate? What contracts do you use for the chat trader Scott trades? It's up to whoever's trading. Pippin ain't easy. He's going to tell us what size he wants to trade, and that is what we will do. Unless it's something crazy, you know. Let's not do 6 minis. Pippin ain't easy. Or maybe we should. I don't know. Maybe we should. Oh, it was Ninja on Rhythmic. Oh, that's insane. And we are back down. Looks like we're back to selling off here. Oh, this is not what I wanted to see. Not what I wanted to see today. So now we just gotta wait. By the way, guys, yeah, John, actually, it's very likely your computer, John. The reason I say that it's your computer is because I have my computer here that I trade with NinjaTrader Rhythmic connections and copy trading, like basically the exact same thing. And I have a pretty beefy computer. But then I also have a laptop that is a pretty cheap laptop. It's not that great. And when I trade with the exact same setup, like NinjaTrader, Rhythmic Connection, and Replicanto Trade Copier, everything the same, I get insane amount of lag. Like I will click the button and it will take like 4 or 5 seconds before I actually see it on the screen. It is terrible. And it's actually very easy to make mistakes that way. Like because there were a couple times when I was trading on my laptop, you know, you're hovering right here and you're clicking the button, but you're not 100% sure that you clicked the button. So then you click it again and now all of a sudden you're in with double size. So definitely, I feel like it's a computer issue. Okay, you trade 4 MNQ contracts, 60. Okay, I like it. I like that. I like that. Okay, here we go. We are going to set up. We're going to set up the ATM strategy. We're going to do 4 micros, 60 tick stop loss, 60 tick take profit that I usually trail and adjust as the trade moves. Okay, I will say 60 ticks gonna be pretty tight. But hey, let's give it a shot. 60 ticks. But hey, you might have some sniper entries. Do you take all of them off? Like, you don't take half off or something like that? Pippin ain't easy. And don't listen to me. I want part of this challenge is actually also to just see how other people trade. So don't change your trading style because you're the chat trader. Just trade like you normally would. And if it's 60 ticks that you do normally, then that's what we will do. It's okay. It does make it a little bit difficult. Obviously, there is a delay. There's about a 7-second delay. So that is kind of something we can't really get around, but okay, reasonably leave them all. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna call this the Pippin ATM strategy. All right, we are ready. We are ready. Look at this market, very volatile this morning now. Okay, also, I wanted to say, I keep forgetting to continue and finish my thought here, but I'm very confused with Take Profit Trader this morning. See, I have 2 pro accounts. So these 2 50K pro accounts, I was almost 100% sure. Like, I'm very confused. This morning, I got an email that I passed these 2 50K accounts and that I can turn them into pro accounts. But I was almost sure I only had 4 days traded on them. And I'm almost sure that this third 50K test account, I am almost sure I bought these, not bought, but these 2 were like, these 2 accounts are the chat trader accounts. So these 2 are complimentary 50K test accounts that I get because you guys use my code, because you guys are awesome. You guys use my Nutty Bar all caps code. So this is your guys' pro account. But I'm confused. I was almost sure it was only 4 days traded. Yeah. Hey, I'm not going to complain. But I know that, so this third take profit account, that was one that I just activated. So these 2 are the chat, well, these 3 pro accounts are the chat pro accounts. This account is my 50K pro account. But this one has not passed yet, but I'm almost sure I activated those on the same day. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know. But right now, the chat, you guys have 3 50K pro accounts to get payouts from. Let's go. So I feel like we need to be, I don't want us to be crazy aggressive, but I like the trading size I like is 4 to 8 micros. I like that kind of size. I feel like it gives us a big enough, gives us a chance to have $300, $400, $500 days, but not be too crazy. All right, market trying to bounce off this VWAP once more. Let's see if we can do it. Don't ask, just receive it. That's my motto. I'm like, hey, if you say I passed the account, I ain't gonna argue. I activated it and we're good to go. Take Profit Trader is currently 30% discount with no activation fee. I had to pay an activation fee for these because they were complimentary accounts, but that's okay. Which means I have to update my expenses by $260. I have a spreadsheet where I'm tracking all of my expenses, and I just kind of update it once a week. But I know we're over $9,000 in expenses now, which isn't too bad, but I definitely, right now we're on track for another $40,000 in expenses a year. Like, that's how we're tracking. And I was really hoping to keep it like below 30. But I mean, it is crazy how quickly it adds up, but I'm hoping to just slow down, and I really want to focus on my expenses being lower this year. I want to still be able to get good payouts, so I don't want to sacrifice that. There are going to be expenses, but I just don't want to go crazy. Don't want to go crazy with my expenses, because they can add up pretty quickly. They can add up pretty quickly. Maybe you trade it while the market was open and after it closed, which is considered 2 days worth of trading. Yeah, Peter H., I thought about that too, but I don't know. It's so weird. I don't know. Maybe I did. There is a chance that happened, so either way. Hey, Captain Crunch in the building. Faisal in the building. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing, fellas? Lonnie, good morning. Mr. Joseph Trades, good morning. 40K in expenses, but 300K in profits. Hey, I would take that. You know, I would take that, but right now we're on track for, 170,000 in payouts. So we definitely, but we are in a pretty good place right now. I shouldn't say that out loud, but right now we've got our Apex 150K accounts where right now we're in that stage where we just take 2 micro trades and minimal risk and aiming for around $200 a day. Just do that, and then we will, every 8 days we can just basically take out $500, $600 per account. That's what I'm looking for. And it'll add up. I think that will add up as long as we don't do anything stupid. Same with my Tradeify account. We are at the point, these Tradeify accounts, I only need to flip these accounts for 2 more days. 2 more days traded, just need to flip them. I can take out another 9,000 from these 3 accounts. We can take out another 3,000, actually 4,000 on these 2 accounts. So just need to just slow and steady. Try not to do anything stupid. I will be more aggressive on fresh funded accounts, like these 50K accounts. I will be more aggressive with my size if I have fresh accounts that are just funded. Basically, I just want to get them off to a good start. Get that first payout secured, and then slow it down and just kind of start accumulating those daily small profit days. And then I would love to do the same thing with the take profit accounts. We're going to have 3 take profit pro accounts for the chat traders. Again, right now my plan is a 50% profit split. I feel like that's kind of fair for you guys because I do pass the accounts. So hopefully that's okay with you guys, but do a 50-50 profit split, which is after take profit takes their 20% cut. But man, I got hope. I got faith in you guys. I think we're going to do it. I think we're going to take this account and we only need $570 more dollars. $570 more dollars. What copier do I use? I currently use the Replicanto trade copier. I just have found that is the most consistent for me. Patrick just said you'll be back on his show this next week. Yes, Rodney, that is correct. Next Wednesday and Thursday, we will be basically one final. Yeah, he's been asking me to come back, and being that we're going back to Ohio, decided why not? We'll go back, and right before we make the move back to Ohio, I'm looking forward to it. Alpine Trader is also going to be there. the 19th and 20th. So it's going to be me, Alpine, and Patrick. Should be a good time. I really wanted to meet. I wanted to meet Alpine. Me and Alpine have been really good friends for over 2 years, and we've just had a really good friendship, and really want to get to meet Alpine, and so I'm really looking forward to that. It should be a good time. Should be a great time. Could you make a video of yourself trading overnight? Probably will have to wait till you get back to Ohio because of the noise. Yeah, usually I will do that when I get back to Ohio. I will do that. I will make like a compilation. Basically, I will record my sessions in the overnight trading. I'll record my sessions, and then I will just edit the video down to only show where I took my trades. So I will definitely do that. Hey, that's cool. Thank you, Rodney. Hey, I mean, I know in this space, the prop firm space, it's, it seems like, okay, I know there's a delay with stream. If this 2-minute candle closes bullish engulfing, I go long. Stop below the previous candle wicks. Okay, we should be going long. Are you wanting to jump in here? This is where a delay really hurts. Sorry, Pippin ain't easy. Do I just go in here? We do have the bullish engulfing. This is where it kind of sucks. The delay really does make a difference, but I do like the long here. Okay. We are long, boys. I'm going to have to stop below this. I assume is okay. Come on, market. Give it to us. Do it. Don't be difficult. Don't be difficult. It's unfortunate. If we would have just jumped in right away, we'd already be at our target. It's kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. We basically entered right at the EMA, which isn't great. Don't do it. Don't do it, market. Don't be a douchebag. I feel like, yeah, Pippin ain't easy. Maybe we still might be okay, but this is where the delay really does make a big difference. I don't really know how we get around that, but all right, there's still hope. Come on, market. Come on. Let's go. And we're stopped. Dang it. Yeah, it was a bad entry, and I should have just pulled the trigger like on that case. I should have just pulled the trigger. Even if it was a little bit early, but it's okay. It's okay. The delay hurts. It does. That's on me. I'll take the responsibility on that one. Don't worry about it, Pippin ain't easy. We got this. We got time. Yeah, I'll try to really pay attention to your chats, and as soon as you see something, I think what works best is like a heads up of a candle. For example, hey, if we close above, if we, not close maybe, but if price moves above the previous candle body high or low, that type of thing, then place an order for long or short. That way the delay doesn't really affect it as much. But again, it's kind of difficult because that might not be how you're used to trading, but it's okay. It's okay. We got this. We got this. The way to get around it is for individuals to have an open line via phone for the time they trade with me. You could do that, I guess. We could do a Zoom call or a Zoom chat. You could do that. You could do that. Okay, market. What are you wanting to do here? Don't know what to expect with this market right now. Seems like we're struggling. I could do that. I was thinking about that too, DL. You could do a Google chat open on your screen along with the individual who is trading. That's what I was thinking too. I was actually looking at that literally as you're speaking. Like I have Gmail, and you could do the Nutty Bar at nuttybar1983 at gmail.com. And I could just go to chats. We could actually try it. Pippin ain't easy. Do you want to try that? If you want to try that, I will figure out a way to send you and get you on a chat with Google Chat, because that would be real time without a delay. Obviously, you would be looking at your chart. Ace undercover. The bat phone. Another tilt session. Literally just blew all 3 take profit pro accounts. I just activated today. This happened after losing 2K on my Apex accounts because I didn't realize there was news at 10. Oh, Amos, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ouch. Yeah, that news at 10 o'clock was violent. Oh, my heart goes out to you, Amos. I'm sorry, man. That sucks. Martman, if I've abandoned my 3-minute trade, I kind of have, just because of how volatile the markets are. The markets need to tame down a little bit before I can take that. And then I will back test it again and stuff. But yeah, just for now, with how volatile that it is, I just haven't really been interested in doing it. Okay, let's see here if we get a setup or not. I mean, the thing that I see right now, we're holding this 465 area it does keep holding, and it does look like we're going to make a move higher, but then every time we just kind of get rejected. So I gotta say though, as long as we keep holding this 460 and 450 area, as long as this holds, I do like the longs. I do like the longs. We couldn't go any higher here. Yeah, just got to wait and see if we can get above the 520s. We got to get above the 520s. Then we got to get above the 550s. We'll see. If we lose the 450s, then we got to look for shorts. All right, we got to break this. We got to break above that 520. That's going to be very important here. It's tempting here to take a stab long. Tempting me to try it. See if we get a retest of the VWAP right here. Yeah, I know, DL. I was talking about that earlier, how we're still in the middle of yesterday's range. Not ideal. Not ideal, but as long as we hold this 450 area, then I do feel like the longs are probably at an advantage. But if we lose the 450s, then look out below. This could just dump. This could just dump again like it has so many days in the past. Definitely feel like the market is, I don't know, the market's on the edge. Or one thing that I look at, like, so if we look at the weekly chart, like this, we broke this weekly trend chart officially. Like this is broken, and with the current world, like the current everything that's going on, I know this seems like a pretty crazy big pullback, but we could see a pullback back into the 17,000 area before we see support. Like that, I mean, that's long term, but we really could see a pullback all the way down to the 17,000 level. It really could happen. I mean, we're going to get some moves higher, but it's a pretty crazy time we're living in. We got the tariff wars. It's insane. All right, this wedge needs to break. Yes, Pip, it ain't easy. Give me your what are your, yeah, just give me a heads up if you see something. Let me know. All right, market. This is where I like to wait and just, I might just buy it right here at the VWAP and at the VWAP or down here at the 470s and just keep my stop below the lows. All right, are we going to hold? Okay, we're doing it. This is a bigger risk here. Oh dear, help us now. Is this going to be the time we dip? This is, we're buying the VWAP here. But if we dip below, we're going to be in trouble. Really, really need this to hold. If this does not hold, then we are going to be done for the day on these accounts. There we go. Come on. Don't be a douche. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's being difficult. That, I should have taken half off right there. I was too slow. Hang on, we got to make sure we do this right. I'm waiting. I'm trying. I'm holding for a breakout. We're going to keep our stop below the low. And we're going to hope. We're looking for a breakout here. Come on. Give it to me, market. One time. Break it. Break it. Do it. Do it. Go, baby. Go. Come on. Go. Go. Ah, I'm going to take it off. Just not in the mood to sit through another fake out. Now it's going to rip. Everybody knows. Everybody knows this is where we will rip because Nutty took his profit early. Hey, we're green. We're green. Dang it. Why? Why? Every time. Every time. Now we're going to rip probably to the highs. Highs of the session incoming. You hate to see it. Man, that's sad. 2-minute candle for a long. Pivot ain't easy. Okay, you got my... I'm watching. I'm waiting. The lifetime fee for Apex still $125. I think so, Jimmy K. I think so. I do not have confirmation on that. Unreal. Did I really... Oh, we missed out on an opportunity right there. Ay, 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 ay. Really messed. Wow, what a rip. That sucks. What a nice rip. It went without me. I know pivot ain't easy. It's just too big of a candle. I agree with you. Just wish I would have held. Should have held, man. It's one thing that I've noticed that I'm definitely doing lately with this kind of volatility in the market. It's harder to hold on to runners with how fast this market turns around. It's just hard. It's hard sometimes to hold. Wall Street, Alpine entered after I got out. Let's go. Nice workman. Miss all you guys. Yes, indeed. Yeah, it's true, Matty Matt. It's true. Yeah, I was looking at that too, that it's full moon. The markets sometimes react in weird ways at full moon. Okay, we're getting the pullback here. This is where it's dangerous. The market currently just kind of doing the up and down moves. This could just come back, retest the 460, 470s. But if we make a move back to like the 510s here, and we see a good entry long, I will definitely look for an entry there. Yeah, I thought about that too, DL. Like, dude, yeah, you could. But anymore, like even 20 points seems like it's not that, it's almost seems like that's not enough. It's just crazy. I mean, we are seeing 50-point moves like it's nothing. Like, for example, this move here, 560s down to the 520s, that's 40 points. Doesn't even look like that big of a move, but it is. It's just hard to... Last week when I blew my PA with 8 losses in a row, it was with 20-point stops. Oh, that is so... Oh, that is the most frustrating way. That's the most frustrating way, I think, to lose an account, is just stop out, stop out, stop out after stop out. And that is not a good time. All right, market recovering here immediately. Just no way, no chance to get in here. Yeah, you do, RH. You really do have to adjust the amount of contracts you're trading. You really have to be careful. Hey, good morning, Traders Chick. Good to see you. Good to see you. How was your day? There we go. Breaking above that 550. Man. There we go. Above the 560s. Man. Yeah, stop out, and then give up and the move happens. Yeah, that is frustrating. That's probably even more frustrating. Oh, I know. I mean, I the last set of 5 Apex and 50K accounts I had, I blew up those with 4 micros in 4 trades. It was crazy. It is crazy, man. It wasn't even that hard. All right, market at the 550s here. See if we get another pullback here. And we continue. Man, this is starting to look like we're gonna retest this 620 level. I'm starting to get I'm thinking about getting aggressive here. Oh, really, Matt? Day 3 of under review. Hey, Godspeed. I think I'm done for the day. Time to celebrate my payout approval. Let's go, Matthew. Let's go. Congratulations. Love to see it. Hanging in there, Traders Chick. Let's go. Yeah, I was saying the other day, pretty soon, if the market volatility continues, we're going to have to come up with micros for micros. 1 tick equals 5 cents. Oh man, that sounds crazy, but I mean, it's actually not. It's crazy. Whoa, Rory McIlroy is making a push. Wow, McIlroy. McIlroy is 9 under. Akshay Bhatia 8 under. Ricky Fowler 6 under. Woo, let's go. You know who I'm cheering for the most of the top players here? Wait, where is, don't tell me. I don't even want to look. Before I say it, I'll need to see where he's at. Please. Oh no, Minwoo Lee. Minwoo Lee, JJ Spawn, and Rory McIlroy are tied at 9 under for first place. Very impressive. Scotty Scheffler 5 under. Jordan Spieth. Okay, Jordan Spieth tees off at 150 in the afternoon. Please, Jordan Spieth, just one time, Jordan Spieth, one time. For one time, can you please compete in the top 5? I just want Jordan Spieth, Rory McIlroy to be, and Scotty Scheffler to be going into Sunday, both like with a chance to compete for the win. That's all I want. Okay, hang on. Pivot and easy. We are at R1 pivot. Break and retest possibly, or rejection from here. Okay, got it. I see the R1 pivot. Oh, excuse me. I see the R1 pivot point here, the 570s. And we did reject from it momentarily, but it looks like we're just going to rip right through it. Any trades that you see developing here, Pippin and easy? Do I need to be on my toes? Looks like the cut is going to be 1 under. Projected cut is 1 under. That's interesting. That's pretty good, actually. I think last year the cut was 1 under as well, if I remember right. But yeah, in case you're wondering, I'm watching the Players' Championship. I wish I could share it with you guys. I wish we could watch it together, but unfortunately we can't. I don't want to get punished. Okay, we got to move above the pivot point here. We are starting to do that slow bleed higher, and I'm getting ready to just jump in on a pullback here. Justin Thomas. Let's not talk about Justin Thomas. Justin Thomas had a really bad round yesterday. Let me look where he's actually at. I don't think he tees off until the afternoon. But it was not looking too good for him. Justin Thomas. He was 6 over, I believe. Yeah. His tee time is 1:30. He is currently 6 over. The cut's going to be 1 under. So he's going to have a pretty crazy round just to make the cut. Right now, my favorites to win the tournament, like I really like, I mean, I like Akshay Bhatia. I think he has a good legitimate chance. Obviously, Rory's going to have a chance. And Scotty's never out of it. Morikawa, he's 5 under. If I had to pick someone, Aaron Rye is also a sleeper. Like Aaron Rye's got a good chance. He tees off at 2 o'clock. He's 4 under. I don't know. I like, I hope Ricky Fowler, Rory, Jordan Spieth is what I hope for, but I also know that's might not be reality. Come on, market. Give me an entry. I'm gonna be jumping in here pretty soon here if this doesn't. Yeah, Scotty for the three-peat would be pretty crazy. That would be pretty crazy, but I'll be honest, I really want Spieth to win. Like, I don't even care if he wins. Like, I just need him to be competitive at this on Sunday. I want a comeback. I want a Spieth comeback so bad. We need a Spieth comeback right now. Rory McIlroy, he currently has about a 10-foot putt for a birdie and the outright lead at 10 under. McIlroy playing very, very well. I'll just be an announcer. I'll just be the announcer for golf. I'm going to do a tryout. You guys can't see it, but you guys can just hear. Here's Rory. He's stepping up. Looks like he's got a little bit of a left to right break, maybe a 6-inch. Here's the putt. And he drains it. Walks it in. No doubt about it. And Rory takes the outright lead at 10 under. Currently a 35 under front 9. And that is very impressive. And that 5 under was on the back 9, which is the hardest part of the golf course. So we could see, we could see Rory just take a commanding lead if he continues his play in the front 9. Rory could be 14 under by the end of the day. Are you paying for the PGA stream? So I have ESPN Plus, and with ESPN Plus you can watch the live coverage like before it is on TV. So I have the. Okay, we're getting close here, folks. I'm long at, sorry, pipping in easy, long 572. Well, let's wait. Wow, what a rip. Okay, now we got to be careful here. What do you want to do, pipping in easy? Why, you just tell me. Yeah, I know, Go and Trades. Man, I'm gonna, man, this is tempting me. Okay, I'm taking an entry right here if we get there. Took an L on that one, small risk. Hey, that's all right. I mean, this wouldn't be a shock if we just roll over here. But I mean, I like the setup here. If we make a move above this, okay, we're in, folks. Now we just wait. Looking for that retest of the highs. Really want to see this just rip straight up. Straight up, baby. Do not fake me out again. Wow, Harris English just chipped it. Harris English just holed it from 150 yards out on a par 4 for the eagle. Oh, wow. On hole number 18. That is impressive. All right, come on, baby. Just fill me. Don't be difficult. Fill me. Do we really need to beg? Don't make me beg. I will do it. I will beg. Really, market? This is the most frustrating, is when we do this. Just go rip through new highs. You can do it. It's not that difficult. Oh, geez. Is it going to force me to just take my profit here? Maybe not. Okay, now do it. Do it. I command you. Hit me. Yeah, let's go. I tricked it. I tricked the market. The market thought I moved my stop loss, but I actually didn't. Or my target, and I didn't. All right. Good trade. Good trade. We got this. All right. We have a breakout. We are going higher. This is what I like. Now we are coming into some dangerous territory, the 600s once again. Imagine I just hold my trade here from the 485s. Imagine. Wouldn't that be crazy? That'd be wild. Sweetness indeed. McElroy's just driving it like a madman. Man, I tell you what, McElroy ain't messing around today. He is not messing around. Yikes. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's the breakthrough that I was looking for right here. That's it. That's a move we were looking for. 640s. We're just ripping straight through it. Every single time that I just take my profit, I should have held a runner. Every time. Never fails. Never fails, man. It's just crazy. What a rip. Hopefully you guys were long. What a rip higher right through. That is unfortunate, folks. We should have, coulda, woulda. This here is like a picture. Actually, hang on. I'm still on the 1 minute. Hang on. I just realized I was on the 1 minute chart there. But yeah, that is a great, honestly, that, gotta say, I really like that 1 minute chart. When the market's moving a little bit faster, looks a little cleaner. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it for now. All right, let's see. See if we get a pullback. If we come back and we retest the 600s here, I will take a stab long. We will do it. Akshay Patia, 8 under. Ricky Fowler for birdie. Let's go, Ricky Fowler, 7 under. Let's go. There's just nothing more fun. You know what I'm going to do this afternoon? I'm literally going to make myself a bag of popcorn. I'm going to sit on the couch or possibly go out by the pool, take my shirt off, and I'm going to watch PGA, the players, and I'm just going to chill all afternoon and maybe take a dip in the pool. It's going to be great. We going to be chilling. Is this Ninja Trader? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Break your runners. Never start leaving runners without doing proper long-term BT. Saral BT. You need to first tell me what BT means. I'm not sure. What does BT mean? Min Woo Lee from the rough on the par 5. Oh, that's a yikes. Not that great of a shot. He's going to have about a... Min Woo Lee with about a 40-foot putt for birdie on the par 5. I like, I don't know. There's so many players that I like. I just want to see a competitive match going into Sunday. Also, guys, did you see? You know what? I'm going to show you guys this. This is going to seem like I'm bragging, and maybe that's what I'm doing. I'm not even sure. But look at this. My funded futures, the competition. Let's see. These are the rules for the competition. You only get to trade one mini or 10 micros. You cannot DCA, and you can't hedge. No news trading allowed, or news trading is allowed. No overnight positions, yada yada. Hello, how do I view it? Oh, there. I don't want Trade Sinker. Get that out of here. So the guy in first place, that's insane. 579% return. The guy in first place. But I'm just saying, Nutty Bar, he's making a move. Currently in 41st place out of 4,387 contestants. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. And today, currently, I'm up 6,000 on the day on that account. So I should move into, let me look. I might move actually in the top. Well, I should move in the top 20. I should be top 20 unless I do something stupid this afternoon, but... Hey, you see me, Traders Chick. Let's go. Let's go. You never know. We still got 18 days left in the competition. I'm just going to try to place in the money. That's my main goal. If we can place top 10, that'd be pretty sick. If I'm trading the same strat, not really. I'm looking for way bigger moves. Like, I'm trading more. I'm trading my levels. Like, I will look for... I just look for the levels and I enter and I look for really big moves. I will just hold. I'll hold for big moves. And I'm in that place, and the one day I took a $6,000 loss the one day. So if it wouldn't have been for that $6,000 loss one day, it would be a lot better. But it is what it is. Okay, market. We are just continuing higher, testing that 640 once again. Trades by Nutty. Now that I showed you guys, I'll probably blow the account tomorrow, but it's pretty hard to blow an account with only trading one mini if you're up 37,000, but you know, you never know. It could be possible. All right, Xander Schauffele, he has a pretty impossible shot here from the pine straw. He's going to have to just punch it out into the fairway, I think. Oh, he almost made it on the green. Wow. That's a good shot. Okay, market. I would love to get a pullback back to this 600 area. I would love a pullback back to the 600s. Please. What is the max daily loss? I don't think there is a max daily loss, Carolina. You just have 10,000 in drawdown. That's it. So yeah, you can go through a lot of drawdown. But if you go into a big drawdown like that, pretty hard to recover. But yeah, if it wouldn't have been for that one bad day that I had, I would be top 15 right now. But it is what it is. All right, let's see. 630s. We're just not getting much of a pullback here. Also, guess what time it is, folks? It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. You know what I should do? I should just short. I should short right now because it's 11 o'clock. No other reason. No reason other than it's 11 o'clock. But, you know, I do want to be very careful here. I mean, I want to see this pull back to the 600s. And I will enter if we get a nice entry. Maybe today. Today's the day that we actually just keep going higher. And we just see a nice bull trend. If we start seeing a nice bull trend, I might actually look to... I might stream a little bit longer. Here we go. Here we go. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, this makes me nervous now. Every time I say that I'm going to go long at the 600s, then it's like, oh, really? Let's see. Put your money where your mouth is, sir. Ricky Fowler from the Pine Straw now on his second shot, 164 yards out. Here we go. Let's see. It seemed like he pushed this pretty far left into the rough. Pretty far right, actually. Now that's going to be a difficult shot. In the rough, short-sided on the green, not great. Wow, look at that. Come on, market. Don't be like this. Don't be like this. Minwoo Lee with his long birdie putt. Nope, he missed it. I mean, right here would be a long, but I just... Man, I just don't trust this. But now it's going to go probably. I'm going to be so upset. This rips above the 640s. I'm not going to be happy. Ugh. Xander Schauffele with a great shot. That will save his par. I mean, it's so tempting to jump in here, but it's also very dangerous to jump in here. This is usually where I get myself in trouble. Okay, now pulling back. All right. Okay, now we, okay, gotta be careful here. This is where it gets dangerous. Man, I'm glad. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't jump in there. Oh. Okay, now I'm paying attention. Sarah, 11 o'clock. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Okay, I want to see. All right, we are jumping in. Just gonna have my stop right here. All right, I'm just gonna scalp that. The 11 o'clock, everything makes me nervous that we're just gonna start stair-stepping this down. I hope we don't. Kitchen police, stop saying. Stop pretending like I say 11 weird. I don't. I don't. I know I don't. I've re-listened. I have listened to myself say it, and it's exactly the same as every single person out there. You guys are on. You guys are smoking something. I don't know. I don't know. It must be something wrong with the stream or something with the sound. You guys are crazy. Kitchen police. Even my wife, I told my wife, tell me, do it. And she's like, well. Okay, let's wait and see what happens here. If this is, okay, if this is normal action for 11 o'clock right now, this is going to now roll over and make new lows. If this is legit, like the normal 11 o'clock, like it usually acts, this will roll over and make new lows. If that is, if we have a new development, this will break out and make new highs. So let's wait and see. I don't know. Minwoo Lee is 10 under. Wow, giving McElroy a chase. Will you trade till 7 to see? You guys are very funny. You're very funny, guys. You're very funny, chat. Very funny. Okay, is this going to roll over here? Moment of truth. McElroy with another bomb of a drive right down the middle. He's driving it really, really well today, which with McElroy, if he drives it well, he's going to always have a chance. He's going to be in it. Just own it and run with it. Sorrel, you're funny. Ooh, that's tough. Ooh, Sander with one in the rough. Ouch. All right, market. Tell me what you want to do. McElroy just hit his 3-wood, 305. Hey, there she goes. Are we gonna rip higher? Of course we are, because I took my profit early. Makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, Rory is definitely the best driver. Yeah, he is. Not always consistent, but here's Scotty Scheffler. Looks like he might have lost this one a little to the left. Yeah, in the rough on the left. That's going to be a layup for his shot. Scotty definitely not. Doesn't feel like Scotty has his best stuff so far this year. All right, we do have a breakout. We do have new highs. Testing the 645s now. I should have held. I should have held. Oh! Here we go. Above the 640s. Definitely should have held there. Unreal. We've definitely left a lot of money on the table today. This one probably the most frustrating of them all. But we had really good entries. We took 2 losses. Took 2 losses in the morning. But these last 3 trades have just been picture perfect, but definitely could have held them for a little bit longer. Could have captured a little bigger move, but sometimes you just got to take what you can get and move on to the next trade. 645s breaking. Here we go. 650s being tested. I don't know, man. Look at the daily chart now. This is starting to look interesting. If we can close, if today we close above the 700s, then we might have a little bit of a recovery session. Will it be the low? I don't know, but we might see a green day. We might see a green day. Beautiful break and retested the 590s. Yesterday's high. I'm long, sold 3, hold a runner to 6. Ooh, let's go, Black Coffee. I love it. Let's go. Let's see if we can get a pullback. If we can get another pullback here, we will definitely take another entry. Now that we have clearly made new highs. I don't need a big pullback here. Wow, we're just going to rip without... Wow. Okay, can we get a pullback here? Wow, this market seems to be very strong right now. I don't know, guys. How do you trade this? I don't know how to trade this. Feels like we're just not getting we're just not even getting any pullbacks here. We're getting these like miniature, very tiny. I mean, I've seen this price action before, and it's like these micro pullbacks, and then we just continue to like we just bleed higher. But these pullbacks, and it's usually this happens between noon and like 1:30 is when we oftentimes see this kind of action. Just very small pullbacks, and we just continue to slowly go higher. You know what? I'm gonna take it. Just entering here on a micro pullback. And it's starting to make me, of course, as soon as I get in, we stop going higher. We start to piddle around here. Of course. Oh, man. Could be okay. This oh, that's unfortunate. Is this going to be the 11 o'clock rollover? I imagine the chat traders like shorted. I guess that would be too bad. Well, if we get stopped out here, we're going to call it a day. And just another example of why we should not trade maybe after 11 o'clock. Example number 2,422. Man, come on, market. Oh. Oh, we get... I guess that's what we get for messing around up here. Just feels like we're going to get stopped out, but maybe we get saved here. You know what? I'm going to add 2 right there if we do make a push here. If we make a push here, I do like it. I like it. Okay, now we're... Come on. Don't fake me out now. That would be rude. I don't know, and this doesn't look good. Come on, Bulls, get in here. I know I know everybody wants to go eat lunch, but first take this thing to new highs, would you? Would you please? Do it. Do it. Pretty please. Come on. Come on. Do not. Don't do it. Okay, I'm going to take 2 off right there. Just if this does make lower highs. Just in case. Oh. I can feel the 11 o'clock is definitely starting to play out here. It just does not have the momentum that it had. Feels like it just wants to bleed lower now. But I hope I'm wrong. Prove me wrong, market. Rip this to new highs. Do it. Do it. Okay, I like this. Come on. Go, baby. Go. We might sit here for 2 hours for this to fill. It's gonna be a minute. Look at that, 649. You can't make this up. It's all about trading the measured moves. Nice ace undercover. Nice. I know some people have a lot of success doing that. It is crazy. 666s. Come on. Come on, market. Do it. Oh, yes. Go. Go, baby. Go. Do I take my profit here or do we look for a break? Man, this is very... Oh. Let's give it a chance. Go up. Go up. Come on, baby. Go. Go. want to see it pop. Pop it. Pop it. All right, we'll take that. We will take it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I could have done that too, Zips. I could have done that too. I could have closed only half, I guess. But honestly, with the 11 o'clock hour and everything, I'm fine. I'm kind of okay with this. I think actually I'm okay with today. We're locking in $200 day on the Apex accounts. And you know what? This is a good Friday. This is a good Friday. Why don't we, I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to just walk away, be up $200 per account. And a good way to end the weekend or go into the weekend is green. The worst way to go into a weekend is when you're green and then you take one more trade and then you end up being red. That is the worst. So I don't want to do that. I am pretty happy with where we ended today. So I think we'll call it here, folks. Actually, no, wait, everybody hold up. Let's do a giveaway. I told you guys I'm going to do a giveaway today, and I'm going to do it. Let's quickly do a giveaway. Give me a minute, fellas. Give me a minute. Okay, we are good to go. Enter for a chance to get entered is exclamation mark Nutty, exclamation mark Nutty, and we will do a duck race. We'll pick 15 names. Top 3 names will get a free Apex account, and it will work with Rhythmic, Tradeovate, or Wealth Charts. Also, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. That'd be awesome. That'd be pretty cool of you guys. If you could hit the like button. Once you're entered, hit the like button. Just if you want to show appreciation, that'd be great. If you don't want to hit the like button, then it's fine. I'm happy I took my profits right here. We are happy with that. Oh, we're going to do the giveaway, and then I'm going to go relax and watch some golf. What could be better than that? Xander hitting his iron way off to the right in the rough. I tell you what, Xander Schauffele just has not been the same. His iron play hasn't been great. His driver hasn't been that great. Right now, Minwoo Lee and McIlroy both tied at 11 under. JJ Spawn is at 10 under, and then Batia is at 9 under. Oh, and Minwoo Lee just put one right on the pin. Wow. Wow, that's impressive. Minwoo Lee is tearing it up. It looks like he's going to go to the solo lead. Nothing better than an afternoon of good golf, in my opinion. Morikawa, 6 under. Uh-oh. He's on the green? Nice. Will Rory choke this weekend? Golf Guy Mike. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, right now, Rory's playing really well. I'm kind of conflicted. I like to see Rory do well. Like, I think he's due to win. But at the same time, like, I also wouldn't mind having like a Jordan Spieth or someone like that. I would definitely much rather they win. What happened to the YouTube comment giveaway? You will see. It will be in the recap video. Don't worry. He just won it. Yeah, I guess, but I'm saying like more. I almost look at the players as a major championship. I know it's not a major, but it's like really close. But yeah, I guess you're right. He did win at Pebble Beach. I would be more like talking about, which that is a pretty good, like that's a pretty big tournament to win, but not like a major. Wow, here we go. Market ripping to new highs. 681s now. Wow. Wow. Very impressive. Very impressive. All right, guys, we have hang on, let me look at this. Okay, guys, the giveaway is about to be closed. About to be closed. And there it goes, 685s. What a nice move higher here. That's impressive. 688s. All right, it is time to pick the names. All right, we are going to pick the names. We're going to do the duck race, and then we're going to call it a good day. Okay, if this is your first time playing, we will pick 15 names, and these 15 names will be entered, and the top 3 will get a free account. All right, here we go. And the first name to be entered in the race is Yeti Trader. Yeti Trader, congrats and good luck. Next name is going to be Gutenberg. Gutenberg, congrats, good luck, sir. Next name, John White. John White. Next name, DL. Let's go, DL. DL with a chance. Wish you well. Here we go. Next, Trade Lou. Next, Trade Lou. Congrats. Good luck, sir. Eagle Eye with the next chance to win. Next name, Brian Luna. Brian Luna. Good luck, sir. Next name, Jeffrey Hall. Jeffrey Hall, good luck. Next name, Lord Cootie. Lord Cootie, good luck. And the next name, Fin Tan Noons. Fin Tan Noons. All right, now we need to remove 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the race. Okay, here we go. Next name is going to, whoops. Next name, Big Ears, Always Listen. Big Ears. Good luck, sir. Next name, Miguel. Good luck. And the next name is Giovanni Trades. Good luck, sir. Good luck. And the next name's going to be Orlando. Orlando Mendoza. Good luck, Orlando. Good luck. All right. Final name. Oh, the final name is Black Coffee Trader. Let's go, Black Coffee. And no, this is not rigged. The rigged allegations are going to be wild. Oh, dear. Help us all. Let's go, Black Coffee. We got Black Coffee Orlando in here. All right, boys. This should be fun. Hang on, I gotta minimize some things here so I don't get in trouble. Gotta minimize. We gotta mute some tabs. Wait, where's my duck race scheme? Whew, I thought I messed up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Here you can see these are all the names. You are all entered. We got a 2-minute race. And here we go. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's unmute. Here we go. Ready, set, and they're off. And they're off, folks. We got a 15 duck race here, and we got Orlando Mendoza taking the early lead. We've got Giovanni Trades in the lucky red duck. We've got Yeti Trader at the bottom of your screen, John White. We got Black Coffee Trader is at the top of your screen. He's making a move toward the front. Here comes Giovanni Trades and Brian Luna. Now Brian Luna takes the early lead. Here is Fintan Nunes in a close second, but Brian Luna has a 1-length lead. But here comes Yeti Trader challenging for the lead, and he does take it. Here comes Yeti Trader. Here comes Big Ears. Big Ears is now making a push. And we got Gutenberg and Next Trade Lou. Here comes Lord Cootie trying to make a move, but Yeti Trader has a 1 nose length lead. And here comes Lord Cootie. He has officially taken over the lead with a minute to go in the race. But don't wait now. Here comes Black Coffee Trader. He's making his move. Is it too early? Orlando Mendoza and Black Coffee Trader are neck and neck and pushing for the lead. We got 35 seconds to go. Can they keep it up? Here comes Gutenberg and Brian Luna. Will they make a move? And Big Ears is making a move as well. Brian Luna just took the lead. Big Ears now contesting. Here is Black Coffee Trader. We got a 4-man race, and Black Coffee just fell down. But maybe he has one final push. Oh, sorry, I almost choked. Here we go. 10 seconds to go. Can Black Coffee do it? Here comes Fintan Nunes and Lord Cootie. Black Coffee, Lord Cootie. Can he do it? And there you go. And Lord Cootie with the win. And that, I don't know who got third place, but I think Black Coffee missed third place by a whisker. Oh, that's tough. That's tough, man. Oh, Next Trade Lou, I think Next Trade Lou beat Black Coffee by a whisker. Let's see. Oh, man, what a race. Okay, we're about to find out. Here it is. Lord Cootie, Fintan Nunes in second place, and Brian Luna with the third place finish. Wow, what a close finish. Black Coffee Trader in fourth place. Next Trade Lou in fifth place. Orlando Mendoza in 9th place, just did not have the stamina. Man, I thought Black Coffee was going to pull it out. I thought he had a chance. Black Coffee Trader is asking for a rerun. He says Orlando tripped him. We will have to we'll have to do a full investigation. Oh man, that was a pretty entertaining duck race. Lord Cootie, Fin10 Noons, and Brian Luna with the win. All right, I am going to send you. I'm going to type in the chat right now. Just hold on. All right, right there is my email, guys. Lord Cootie, Fin10 Noons, and Brian Luna. There is my email. Please. Cootie, hey, bud.
Hey, he's misbehaving.
You need to go out to mom, okay? Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
Now tell everybody bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh man. Okay. Okay. Did you guys see, or did you guys copy? So Lord Cootie, Fin10 Noons, and Brian Luna, I need you guys to send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel so I know it's you, and I will send you the codes for those free Apex accounts. Congratulations for those that won. I'm sorry for those that did not win. Hopefully it was fun. That was pretty entertaining. And yeah, good times, good times. Wow, look at this. Market pulling back here. Market making a pullback now. Interesting. I'm glad I'm fine. We are not going to chase this. We literally broke the 700s. We touched the 700s and now we are pulling back. How big will that pullback be is the question. All right, here we go. Okay, guys. Again, Lord Cootie, Fin10 Noons, Brian Luna, please send me that email as soon as you can. I'll get those codes sent to you. And I think we're going to call it here, folks. Thanks, everyone. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we will be back on Monday. As far as my streaming schedule for next week, as far as I know, we should be able to stream Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, we'll be streaming from the BDH with Alpine Trader and Patrick. And then Friday, we'll be back and trading and streaming from the Nutty Closet. And then that next week, not sure what my streaming schedule is going to look like because that is going to be pack week. We're going to be packing up. And then in 2 weeks from today, 2 weeks, March 28th, I will be packing up and we are going to be moving back to Ohio in 2 weeks. So should be fun. I don't know. We'll have to do some kind of celebration or something the last day from the Nutty Closet last day stream. I don't know what we'll do, but we have to do something special that day. So stay tuned. Anyway, take care, everybody. Appreciate all of you guys, and we will be back Monday. Take care. Have a great weekend, and God bless.